So Premier Energies was listed in the month of September 2024, and this company mainly deals with solar panels and solar cells. So it was already a large cap stock when it was listed, so this could be very one of the few large cap stocks which you might be interested in. Why? We'll check the fundamentals if they are good or not, and the main reason why I'm saying is this is because the market cap is about 20,000, which makes it a large cap, but it is below 50,000, so it has still room to grow. And definitely if the fundamentals are good, price action is good, definitely people should consider investing in it. Okay, but just a reminder that this is not a stock recommendation video, this is just an educational video to help you in understanding the right approach towards investing and trading. So let's get started. Okay, hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. So this is Premier Energy's official website, and you can this is the screener page, and we'll go to take a look at the official website. Here I have it open, I'll show you. So it was incorporated in the year April 1995. Okay, and it specializes in manufacturing integrated solar cells and solar panels. Okay, their product portfolio includes solar cells, solar modules, monofacial and bifacial modules, as well as EPC and O&M solutions. So what are these things? You will have to do little bit of research yourself. We'll take an overall summary view of this company. Okay, and you can see here the business segments describes everything that it manufactures, and also you can see as of financial year 2024, Premier Energies is India's second largest integrated solar cell and solar module manufacturer, and India's second largest solar cell manufacturer with aggregate annually installed capacity of 2 gigawatt for solar cells and 3.66 gigawatt for solar modules. Okay, which is really a good thing. Now coming to the manufacturing facilities, you can read here it company operates in 5 manufacturing facilities. You can go through the details. I'll share this link in the description section as well, and then we'll take a look at some of its clients name. Okay, so here we are seeing some very popular names like NTPC, Tata Power, Solar Systems Limited, then Panasonic, then Shakti Pumps, and I have already made a video on Shakti Pumps on this channel. Then we have Luminous, okay, then Solar Square. Some of these are popular names, and the remaining whichever name you are not familiar with, you can do little bit of research on those companies. And you can see it has international presence as well. You can read all of these things, and let's take a look at the order book. As of July 31, 2024, the company has an order book of around 6,000 crore. So definitely the order book is looking strong, the client list is looking strong. Now we'll take a look at the basic numbers for this company. So we can see here the company's price is stock price is 1053, market cap is under 50,000 crore, reserves it has is 2,777, and debt is under 2,000. So debt to equity ratio is good. I won't say it very good, but it's good. Our 3 years average sales growth 106%. So this is the main factor why you should consider this company, at least keeping in your watch list, to keep it in your watch list. Okay, 3 years average profit growth around 300%, earning per share growth 235%. So very high growth in sales and profit, okay, in recent times. Interest coverage ratio is above 5, which is good. Current ratio 1.88 is good. Operating profit margin 27.32 is good. And then industry P is 44.60, stock P is 50.68. Although I do not give too much of importance to this thing, because there are two categories of investors. Some consider that if the stock P is lower than industry P, then it's good, it is undervalued, we should invest. And some believe that if the stock P is higher than industry P, then it clearly tells that the stock is in higher demand and we should buy that. So it's up to you in which category you want to go, but I would say I am fair with both. Okay, so coming to the next point, Altman Z score 13.92 is a good number. Now we'll take a look at the 3 years average sales and profit growth. We can see the sales going up from 1429 crore to 3144 crore, so doubled here, then again doubled to 6519. So rapidly the sales is increasing, which is excellent. And here you can see the operating profit that has also gone multifold times. Operating profit 78 here, then directly 478 here, then 1781. So that's a massive jump. And here you can see The reason behind that is the operating profit margin, 5%, 15%, 27%, rapid growth. Okay, and now we'll take a look at the shareholding pattern. So when we take a look at the shareholding pattern, let's take a look at the 3 quarters data that is available. So we can see that the promoter's stake is consistent after the listing September 2024, as I mentioned earlier in the video, 64.25%. Now FI is holding, in September it was 3.08, then it dropped to 2.31, then now it has gone up to 2.95. So it is almost same as September 2024 right now. But the interesting thing is here, in DI is holding 6.71%, 7.95%, 8.66%. Continuously the DIs are increasing their stake in this company, which is a good thing, which is giving us a bright picture about this company. So overall I would say, seeing the sales growth has rapidly increased. So obviously in future definitely it should continue to increase, okay, if it continues to perform well. And also the shareholding pattern is definitely giving a positive outlook, and also it has a very rich clientele base. Okay, now let's take a look at the price action of this company. So this is Premier Energies, and you can see here it was listed here in September. So you might be thinking that it's clumsy, it is going up and down. So what kind of information we are going to extract from this chart? So in order to simplify that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the fib retracement tool. Okay, we'll start from there. So I am marking the top, I am marking the bottom, and what do I see here? That the stock, after hitting the bottom of here 773, it tried to break the 50% level. Okay, 1080, it tried to break, and most probably it is successful. Why I would say that? You see, the stock gave a big green candle here. Okay, let's measure that candle. It is 19% in 1 week. Okay, and next week it gave a red candle, but you can see the body of the red candle actually never breached the middle part of the previous green candle. So it, technically it has a very good significance that the stock is actually stronger. And you can see the following weeks also the red candles are getting smaller. Okay, and staying, the lows are also staying above that. You can see, wait, let me highlight and show you. You can see this week here the low was here, then the following week the low went up, and then week after that the low even went up. Okay, weekly low. So it is clearly giving signs of strength. But what we are going to do is we are going to check the volume now. Okay, volume is looking good. Okay, and also the stock was listed recently, so we cannot extract a lot of information from the volume unless we get a very big candle. So now what we are going to do is go to the daily time frame. Okay, when we go to the daily time frame, we get a better picture. So here we can see the stock actually broke above 50% level, then it came down. Now what you should be doing now? Well, it's the best approach that you can take right now is keep your eye on this middle level. Okay, 1080 to 1153, this 50% to 61.8%. Why you do that? Because you see the stock definitely broke above the 50% level, but it could not stay above that. So what this stock needs to do in order to give a proper entry signal for investors is that it has to stay above this 50% level or even the 61.8%. So it should stay above 50%, but it should break the 61.8% level with good volume. So that is why this level, this gap in between the middle part, this is very important. Okay, and you have to keep an eye on that. And also you, for additional guidance, you can use the 50 days EMA. Okay, and here you can see the stock is actually the stock's 50 EMA has gone up, but clearly there is a gap here. It rapidly went up, it never actually touched the 50 level and then bounced up. So it might do that in future, and when it does that, it will definitely break this 50% level. That is what I believe. Okay, so for now you should keep this in your watch list and keep the keep your attention on this level. Okay, I'm repeating again, 1080 to 1150. Okay, this level you should keep an eye on. You need to see good volumes, big candles, then only you can consider investing in this company technically. But you have to do your own research about everything you can, as much as you can. You have to dig deeper into this company. After you are satisfied with that, then only come to the price action and use this approach that I am teaching you right now. Okay, so that is all about Premier Energies. I hope this video was useful and informative. Please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse if you have not done already. And if you are already a subscriber and finding my videos valuable, consider joining the Financial Impulse community, where you will get more stock analysis posts. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye. Take care.